Focus. That's what I wanted to cover in this video, is how to get focused into doing and achieving whatever you want to achieve. Okay, and pretty much in the world of digital age, a lot of people are trying to get our attention, right? And we're not able to focus into doing just one particular task, right? You might be eating your food and at the same time checking your social media, or you might be even in the toilet doing your business, and you probably be on your phone, right? Or you're going out for a walk, you're still on your phone scrolling and walking. Or you might be going out for dinner and you're just having normal conversation with someone, but in your back of your mind you're just thinking about, hey, I've got a notification, should I check that, or should I still continue talking? But eventually you just go and check your notification, and that's the age we actually living in, 2026 and going beyond. People are becoming like robots, right? So how can you actually become focused, right? So that's what the topic of this video, and that's what I wanted to give it to you, so you can actually use it and make the most out of it, right? So how I actually get focused and just doing one particular task is, one thing is just living in the moment, living in the present moment. For example, I'm doing this particular video, right? I'm not thinking about anything else. Like, I'm here now and I want to give my full undivided attention into creating this video for you, so you can actually take it and use it. And pretty much from this actual video, I want you to change your entire life, because you probably might have got some other different program, other different course, or you bought something but you never used it. But this video, I wanted to package it in a way that you can actually understand and start using it, right? So be in the present moment, right? Going out for walk, don't take your phone with you. Just go out in nature, and instead of your mind just thinking about like 1,000 different things, just be there at that present time. Okay, don't think about anything else. Enjoy your walk, having that cool breeze hitting your face, the sunlight hitting your face, listening to the birds, the wind blowing. You have to be there at a given time and use it, because that's the only time you have. And all the things that we get is actually we're getting it from that present moment. Like, for example, here, my future is actually getting created from now, right? Whatever actually happened before in the past has happened from now. Okay, so we have to capture this moment and think about it like, whatever I'm actually thinking about now, I'm actually creating it in the future. So it's very powerful if you start thinking like that. Another example, like when you're actually eating, instead of being on your phone, scrolling, checking, and not able to eat, not able to concentrate on your delicious food, throw your phone away, put it aside and enjoy the food. Just enjoy the taste of the food. When you're in the shower, don't think about any other 1,000 things. Be there. Let the water hit your face, hit your body. Just be there. It's very hard, especially like if you haven't trained your mind, and it's very hard to do that, right? Because focus is very important and we need to have that. Another thing is also what I do and what has actually worked for me is, like, especially like when I get up in the morning, rather than going on social media scrolling, what I do is simply I meditate, and this has actually helped me a lot. So meditation is I sit down and I be still. I be still for complete like 15 to 20 minutes and don't move. Just be still. And your mind will actually will be trying to tell you, hey, you have to take this phone call, and you have to do this, you have to put the dishes away, you have to pack your kids lunch or dinner, whatever it is. Like probably they're going to school, so you're packing them lunch or making them breakfast, and it will continue to get your attention and wanting you to do stuff. But you have to be present at that time and just be still. All you'll be doing is breathing in and out. That's all you're going to be doing, and keeping yourself still. And then after that, what I also do is I also sit down, close my eyes, and I think about that I'm actually sitting in a forest, right? And in front of me there's a pond, and there's beautiful trees around. And what I also imagine is I have a leaf in front of me, and I throw the leaf in the air, and the leaf is coming down. So the leaf is coming down, and I'm thinking in my mind how the leaf is actually going. So the leaf is going up and down, gliding from side to side, and I'm not letting my attention or focus go anywhere else. I'm just being present there and looking at the leaf. And when the leaf is actually going side to side, swiveling, and finally it hits the water, and there's a ripple. Right? And then the leaf comes back to me, and then I continue to do that. I throw the leaf in the air, and then the leaf is going down. I'm looking at the leaf. I'm not looking at anywhere else. I'm not thinking about anything else. And then the leaf hits the water. There's a big ripple, and then the leaf actually comes back to me. Okay? So I continue to do that. The goal is to getting up to 20 leaf without your mind drifting. If your mind drifts, if you're thinking about something else, bring your attention and focus back to the leaf, and then continue to do the cycle. So you have to get it to 20 leaf. I get it up to 30 leaves, sometimes 50 leaves, depends how much time I have, because it takes time, takes focus, and that's how you actually training your mind to get focused. And even during the day, like if you start thinking about something else, bring your focus and attention back to the present moment. And because of the leaf exercise, you're able to do that, because you're able to capture yourself, you're able to catch yourself, that you're not able to think about anything else. So this is how we actually training our mind. Another big thing is detox, right? Especially social media detox. Don't go on social media for 1 week. Okay, simple. Or set a time for yourself. Instead of doom scrolling for 30 minutes, half an hour, don't do that. Change that habit into maybe reading a book or writing a letter to your future self. So all of these things, when we actually compound, that's how our life actually changes. From getting focused, this tiny step, most people won't be able to do. And if you can actually master this and do this every day, even you start with like 5 minutes a day and then build it up from there, it will pay you dividends, huge, big time. So let me know what you actually thought of this video. And focus is very important. your attention. And with building anything, we need undivided attention to be able to build something. And that's why a lot of people actually trying to get our attention, because they don't want us to build anything. They don't want us to do great things. They don't want us to create something, because they're just pulling us. They just continue to pull us. Someone is pulling us that side, someone is pulling us this side. But you have to tell them, hey, no, I want to be focused. I want to do this. This is my life. I want to change. And because of this thing, it will make a huge difference into other people's life as well. Because once you start changing, that person has two options. It's either to walk away from your life, or second thing is they will see you changing and they would want to change with you. So that's huge. You're gonna change other people's life, and this is how you're gonna do that, is by changing yourself. We don't have to change the world, we have to change ourselves. And once we change ourselves, everything will change. So again, thank you so much for watching. My God bless you, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.